I guess you've heard there's a situation here in Metropolis, huh? Well, it's going from bad to worse out there on the streets. That's why we need your help. Lex Luthor and the Joker have teamed up to take control of Metropolis. We're doing everything we can to defend this city of tomorrow. But with Luthor's off-the-charts intellect and the Joker's gifts for chaos and destruction, it hasn't been easy.
It would appear you citizens have decided to join forces with the Justice League. Well, that is very unfortunate. Just remember, I'm the only one that can save this city, and in the end, by betraying me and helping the Justice League, you will be punished in kind.
Let me tell you about the Reserve Team Vehicles, or RTVs as I like to call them. They're high-tech military vehicles that were developed by the government's anti-supervillain task force, Argus. The RTVs are self-guided hovercrafts, so you can focus on blasting the bad guys without worrying about where you're going.
These wannabe Justice Leaguers have been trying to stun me with those blasters all day! Get 'em, boys! Bad! Pay for what you've done! Say goodbye!
I'll take it to Lex Luthor.
Follow me, Justice League VP! Keep up! Bad idea following me! Hold still! It's a gas! Hey! Hey! There you go!
Watch my back while I try to break into the security panel. We need to get into LexCorp to free the team. Whoa! Blast those Lex Boss, Reserve Team!
Good work! Those things were trying to take control of the battlefield. Let's get moving. I'm sure they already know we're here.
I warned you about joining forces with the Justice League. This is your last chance to surrender, or face the full force of my Lexbot army. Lexbot, target and destroy the intruders.
It's over!
Cover us, Reserve Team!
Blast those Lexbots!
I got this! Don't let Luthor get away!
Follow us!
Go ahead, guys. I've got it.
Now, do your work!
Got him ahead! Shoot the helicopter.
Loop-de-loop coming up!
Look out!
Give me that shit!
Thank you for saving the city of Metropolis. We'd like to make you all honorary members of the Justice League.
Okay, gang. Let's check out how you scored on your mission.
Great job!
Nice job.
Nice shooting, team.
Good
You
work.
should be very proud.
Now let's see who took the top spot. Booyah!
How about we celebrate with some laughing gas?